more weightage to recent events as compared to the previous events. So it is a better version of a simple moving average, the exponential moving average. So the best thing if you want to see trends is just use a 20 weekly exponential moving average or a 100 daily exponential moving average. These two moving averages you can use. If the price is above these moving averages, then it is showing uptrend or a bullish trend, and the price is lower than these and it's showing a downtrend. We will see practically also these things happening. So what are the weakness of technical analysis? The first weakness is that the interpretation requires a lot of patterns. I must think, I am sure that you must be very confused by now, because it is confusing actually. Because if you see in a real chart, you cannot differentiate. Is it a double top happening, or is it a double bottom, or is it a triangle, ascending triangle? Because you will find that you can find a lot of pattern in the same stock. It is like, for example, if you are, anybody has seen those roofs which were made from that sandstone, and there are some patterns forming on the roof. किसी घर पे वो थी जो वाटर वाली जो छत होती थी, जो जिसमें लोहे के क्वार्टर होते थे और वो पत्थर से बनी हुई थी, जो तो उसमें बहुत डिज़ाइन सी बनती थी. तो मेरे शुरुआत में मैं गांव में रहता था, तो वहाँ पर उस छत पे पता नहीं, मैं डेली मेरी ये एक्टिविटी थी कि वहाँ पर पैटर्न देखता रहता था. तो मुझे उसमें अलग अलग पैटर्न दिखते थे. किसी दिन कोई मुझे ड्राइंग दिख रही है, कभी उसमें मुझे अपना खुद का चेहरा दिख रहा है, कभी कोई स्टार दिख रहा है. आई थिंक ये बहुत कॉमन चीज़ है ना. स्टार्स में भी आप देखोगे पैटर्न दिखते हैं, तो लोग हर किसी को अलग पैटर्न दिखता है. सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम यही है टेक्निकल एनालिसिस की. आप सेम चार्ट दो लोग देखेंगे, एक को कोई और पैटर्न दिखेगा, एक को कोई दूसरा पैटर्न दिखेगा. इसीलिए द बेस्ट थिंग, द बेस्ट थ्योरीज ऑफ टेक्निकल एनालिसिस विच आई लाइक द मोस्ट आर द सिंपलेस्ट थ्योरीज. डाउ थ्योरी, सिंपल, लोअर टॉप, lower bottoms, downtrend, or almost same, it's a sideways, and the upper top, upper bottom is a uptrend or a bullish trend. That's why I focus more on that theory, because that's the most simplest and the most fundamentally applicable. These patterns that I've shown are different, one candlestick pattern, 3 candlestick patterns, then these pattern, double top, double bottom, head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder, whatever, cup and handle, and all these patterns. These patterns actually are very confusing. So the second thing is identification, that even if you identify, typically what happens, you identify patterns late. In the hindsight, you identify, oh, that was the pattern, I should take a trade there. So it has a lot of hindsight bias in it, and it misses the long-term perspective, and it cannot forecast some unknown event happening. For example, 2008 what would be mostly missed by these technical and all patterns. But one pattern can clearly predict is the exponential moving average. It is the best thing actually out there. Also RSI, MACD also gives signals. MACD I haven't discussed, but it is similar to RSI only. You can study on your own MACD, but it's also a momentum pattern similar to RSI. And basically, if you draw into before any bull market, if you draw the exponential moving average, you will find that the stock price is lower than the exponential moving average. So that's a very good signal to sell, basically. So exponential moving average is the best pattern. The other theory which is very good is the most famous theory, the most interesting theory, which is the bigger fuel theory, because that is applicable everywhere. That it doesn't matter at what price you enter, as long as there is a bigger fuel than you to buy at a higher price, you will make money. And this is not suitable for new listings. Why? For example, an IPO is listed on the stock market. New IPO comes, for example, Swiggy IPO is coming. So there is no previous history of these price. So how you cannot do any technical analysis on that. And ultimately, you have to take help of fundamental analysis. So obviously, I was showing in that meme also that fundamental analysis is the best thing. Technical analysis is like you are copying from fundamental analysts what they are doing, and